This video is going to be about how to refurbish this closet. I'm going to show you how to do minor stuff uh, before you actually start painting. What I would like to do is I would like to show you before and after right here. You see the before and after picture. It's going to make a big difference. So what I'm going to do is we're going to get started. I'll show you steps to take to get your closet look beautiful. First, you want to look for all the cracks and broken places. That includes taping up the areas that you don't want the paint to be on. And I want to tell you the difference between the blue tape and the old masking tape. The reason I like the blue tape better is because it doesn't leave any residue, as you could see here. I've used the masking tape to show you that what it does to the floor. What happened there was I left it for like 2 days, so I don't use the masking tape. I use the blue one, the painter's tape. So as you can see, I have some minor defects or damage. What I did was I have glued things together, made sure I had no cracks. I got all the cracks done, and I have gone and painted the wall. Now all I need to do is get the edges done. Once I get the edges, it'll start looking full completed. As you can see, the edges are still I only painted one coat of paint, and now I'm going to go around again and do the corners and the edge. And once I get that done, I'll be able to show you a better video. And this is what my finished product looks like. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you.